A somber mood hangs over Istiklal Street. This is the heart of Istanbul's commercial lifeline, a place where locals and tourists hang out. But after a suicide bombing earlier on Saturday, the avenue is overshadowed by fear. People here hold a vigil for the victims.
We came here right after the incident and left red carnations to share our pain.
Security camera footage captured the moment the blast went off around noon. Witnesses say hundreds of people ran for cover when a loud explosion was heard. A day later, the security forces are still searching for clues. The forensic police are still trying to collect more evidence from the explosion site here behind me, and also there are some signs and banners that reflect a sense of defiance. One of the banners read that we stand united, the other banner says we won't give in to terrorism. But the general sense among people here is one of worry and concern. This woman says anyone could be a suspect.
Istanbul has millions of people living here and many more visit from abroad. Now anything can happen and everyone could be a suspect.
Media reports say DNA tests are being done to investigate a possible suspect linked to ISIL.
Terror once again showed its ugly and heinous face, targeting civilians. Our fight against terrorism will continue with full force in and out of the country. We should act together in our fight against terrorism without buts.
There have been a string of bomb attacks in Turkey over the past few months. Just last week, a blast in the capital, Ankara, killed 37 people. Kurdish separatists linked to the armed group PKK claimed responsibility. The government insists the country is safe. It will have to convince not only its citizens, but the millions of tourists who contribute to its economy. Omar Saleh, Al Jazeera, Istanbul.